So once VS Code is up, we need to add the appropriate extensions. IBM has contributed an extension specifically designed to help you contribute to the generative AI project here. So it's called RPG Gen AI Data Collector. You type that in. It's trivial to install. There, I uninstalled it, and boom, in 1 second, it's reinstalled. So just type that in, find that, and install it. Now, it depends on the most popular extension for IBM I development, which is Code for IBM I. So let me just make sure you have that installed. We use that to be able to pull in a source from QSYS or IFS from within our Gen AI data collector. So that's the Code for IBM I extension, the connections we use for that, and we'll demo that later on. And also, optionally, there's another extension that you can use called the IBM I Project Explorer. And it's just useful, as I demonstrate later on, to be able to migrate source from QSYS into your workspace to make it easier to take your code from where it is today to something that can be contributed. And there's also a whole set of extensions that include these these popular ones. They are found in what's called the IBM I development pack. So that's a set of extensions you can install all together, and it gives you all of the extensions mentioned besides the data collector one, and including a bunch of other ones for RPG, CL language, and so you get all of your language support as well. So that is always a good starter set to